Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Saving Days is running on, but sadly there is no offer that can be worthwhile to buy any tablet in this sale. All the tablets are on their higher price tag, so it is very difficult to recommend you any tablet in this Big Savings Day sale. Many people were hopeful about this sale that they will get their favorite tablet at the best discount, but sadly that is not the case. So I think you should not buy any tablet in this Big Savings Day sale. This is not a great sale actually. In this sale, iPad 11th generation is selling at a price point of 32,000 rupees after discount, whereas the actual or the best price should have been 28,000 to 29,000 rupees maximum. So you should not buy iPad 11th generation right now. Similarly, offers on Samsung Galaxy tablets are not good enough. The price is on the higher side. Only MotoPad 60 Pro is little bit on offer. You can buy this tablet at 23,000 rupees, though the exact or the best price is 21,000 rupees for MotoPad 60 Pro tablet. But if you have urgency and you want to buy MotoPad, in that case you can consider buying right now. Otherwise you should wait for another sale to get the best discounts on tablet. iPad 9th generation 256 GB is selling at 32,000 rupees, but I would not recommend you to buy iPad 9th generation in 2026 because you will face update issue in long run. Flipkart should have provided at least iPad 10th generation 256 GB at 32,000 rupees, but iPad 9th generation at 32,000 is not worth buying. As expected, there is no offer on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet in Flipkart.com. Actually, Amazon sells this tablet, so if you want to get the best discount on this tablet, you have to wait for the right offers on Amazon.in. Only then you can get offers on this tablet. So finally, in the conclusion, there is no good such offer. Only 10% instant discount is applicable with SBI credit card. Other than that, there is no such good offer. There is no price drop on tablets. So you should skip these deals right now. Don't buy any tablet in this Big Savings Day sale. Wait for Holy sale. Maybe there you can get the best price deal on tablets. So hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.